Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems. This is our 3,509 gallon men and hot water pressure washer system with an all stainless steel frame, 2900 watt generator, 31 horse engine. It's got dual 270 gallon tanks, electric hose reels, 2 high pressure reels, 200 foot of hose each, 150 foot inlet hose, and a vacuum hose reel holding 200 foot of vacuum line, which is 100 foot each for each vacuum system. It's a lowrider 82 inch tall trailer for clearing parking garages. It's a 12,000 pound trailer. This one's going to California. For more information, contact us at 1-800-666-1992 or sales@hcsclean.com. Sales@hcsclean.com. And our website is hydrochemsystems.com. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. And as you can see, height-wise, I'm not real tall, but got low profile. Give us a call for all your pressure cleaning, wheelie bin cleaning system, automated drive-through truck washes, and chemical needs.